So I'm going to try and make this quick, but it's going to be a lot of information. So we have this Google Play Services that checks, to make sure Google Play Services is available on the phone. Then we have this new check that sets up the map and makes sure that we can get the map from the fragment manager. And it also gives us a place to initialize a map. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually implement a location listener. Which enables us to place our location on the map, so that way we can actually, get our, have the map kind of zoom in on our current location rather than it going to latitude 0, 0 and longitude 0 in the middle of the ocean. So so let's go ahead and do that. So Google Map dot set my location enabled, so we'll set that to true, and then we're just going to create a new location manager. Location manager, call that LM. And then we're going to say get, well, let me see. I can't remember what it exactly is. Let me quickly, oh yes, duh, I forgot. Get system service, and then location service. And then we're going to say, we're going to create a provider. It's just a string, and it, usually just says like passive, or just kind of gives away, tells the location manager or whoever I'm passing the provider to what type of provider what type of provider that provided the location, or how it got the location. Provider. And so the way we set it up is we just say location managers dot get best provider, new criteria, and the criteria could have been, let me see if I could show you Google. It's a it's a way that you can actually see. It's a quick little different criteria that you can have, like a course accuracy, fine, high, low. It's kind of self-explanatory on what kind of criteria that you're looking for, and we'll just set this to true. Oops. TRUE. Okay. And then after that, we're just going to check to see if that provider is, you make sure that it's not null. But if it is, we're going to have to handle that. And we'll handle that on provider. Oh, let me make sure that I actually implemented. Oh yeah, you'll get an error right here. So just say add unimplemented methods. Sorry about that, I completely forgot to tell you guys that. And that just adds these methods at the bottom of your class. So on provider disabled, and what you're going to have to do there, or in there, you'll have to alert the user that, I can't get your location, so you need to turn on your GPS or your Wi-Fi so we can get the location. All right, and the next thing we need to do is, if we do have a location, we have to set up a way to actually place it on the map. So this is what we'll do. We'll say location loc is equal to location manager, get last known location. We'll just pass in the provider, and then we're going to say if location is not equal to null, then we're going to say on location changed, just pass in the location, and then we'll update the camera inside of on location changed. So in here, we're just going to say Google Map dot, and this first one we're going to actually just move the camera to where our current location is. So it's as simple as move camera and use camera update factory dot new latitude longitude, and we'll just say location forgot we're gonna have to actually create a location variable or a latitude longitude variable. So we'll do new latitude longitude, and then we'll just get location dot get latitude get longitude. Okay, and that fixes that problem. So now we can just do lat lon, and then we'll say Google Map dot animate camera. There it is. Same thing. Camera update factory. And then this is where you can actually provide a zoom. Zoom to 15, or we'll say 10. And that way, whenever you load up the map, it'll actually zoom in on your current location, and it'll not only move to your current location, but it'll also zoom into it. So that way it's not zoomed in to Africa or in the middle of the ocean. So that's it for right now. Talk to you guys later.